Alright guys, so we've been working on our custom tuning with Goose Tune, and we're about to load a 93 map, which is my revision, the third revision. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So accessory mode on the truck, do not start the vehicle. On the Accessport, go to tune. Let's go to change ECU map. '91, '93, that's version 1, version 2, and we're going to do this one, version 3. It's going to be a start to finish video. There's going to be like a little buffer. I might cut the clip for a little bit, just so we don't make this video super long. But yeah, it's currently doing its thing. They do recommend you can hook it up to battery charger. I mean, if you were installing the Accessport for the first time, I would say go ahead and do that. In this case, we're just gonna load a different map, so it shouldn't be too bad. Now it looks like the vehicle turned off. Now it's gonna do its thing. Keep in mind, the vehicle might go through a weird cycle where all these lights, all these codes start popping up and lights and all that. It does like a little reboot type of deal. Just keep it knowing this happens to me every time. It's been about like a minute or two, and then it goes to that screen, and then it's recovery mode. See failure. Go ahead and hit OK. Then I hit recovery. This one, it goes to while the lights start coming on, starts going crazy. So I'm gonna go back and make sure I install the map again. Please wait. So by any means, if all these codes should all go back to normal. It should go away. All the warning lights, whatever you want to refer them to, as if they come back, go ahead and reach out to Goose Tune, and he'll get you fixed. It should, like I said, it should go back to normal. But so now, it's now been an additional probably like a minute or so, and now we're at 3%, and now it's actually gonna install the map. Started this at like 8:04. It is 8:07. Alright, it's been about 2 minutes. 8:09. You're getting some good progress. It's at like 47%. Just keep in mind, it does get stuck on 3% for a little bit, and then just give it a second. Don't do anything to the truck. Don't try to turn it on, and it'll steadily start moving and get us to where we need to be and have our 93, our new map installed, so you get ready for some data logs. All right, it's about a 6-minute process from start to finish. We are not at 100%. Everything should start coming on again. Here's the time. Oh, it's now. An extra minute. So please wait. Clears. Okay. Recovery successful. Please turn the ignition key to the off position to complete. Okay. Off position. And then we could double check. Go to tune, and then show our current map. And there you have it. So it's 93 and V003. That's our third revision of this map. So now we are ready to data log.